Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw two crewmates in love. Okay, it's going to be simple, easy, and it's going to be very adorable. That's the, big thing there. I'm going to be using this simple computer paper right out of your printer. Just so, you probably already have this. If not, I put the link in the description. And I'm going to be using only one of these, a Crayola brand marker. These markers are available everywhere. They're cheap, inexpensive. They sell them in packs as well. I put the link in the description of that as well. I think they sell in packs of 12, so you don't have to buy the big old colored, packet and then take one out and then throw the other ones away or something. But that's it. Easy stuff for beginners. Let's get going. Before I start though, hit the subscribe button if you like learning to draw your favorite characters. If you like learn to draw anything, absolutely hit that subscribe and click the bell notification so it actually shows you the videos. I'm going to be posting 3 times a day for a while, but don't worry about it. It's not going to overwhelm your feed. It's going to show you every 4th video maybe. Right here. Curve for the top of the visor that one of the crewmates has. I might extend that a little bit. Alright. Every time you make this a little bit bigger, it'll, overall, your scale will probably get bigger as well. Curve down here, to the front. Curve along the bottom. Curve along the side here. So this shape, to me, looks a lot like a pillow shape, or it looks a lot like the front of an old-fashioned TV, although I don't know if you know what that is. But yeah. Right here, we're going to give a forehead. Go curve along the top now. Sorry about that. I have a cut on my hand. I actually fell and scratched myself, so sorry if my hand looks really gross. But I fell while I was actually climbing at a climbing gym. And I guess I hit my hand really hard and it cut it open there. Well, not open, but it was a big scratch. But in case you're looking at my drawing hand there. Alright. So we got the top of the head there. I'm going to start over here from the front bottom. And I'm going to pull down. Pretty much just a straight line. Curve around the bottom. Over here on the side, and I'm going to pull all the way down here, another straight line. This marker is kind of drying out. You gotta forgive me. I use the same markers for a lot of these, and they kind of dry out. There you go. This one's better. Curve along the bottom as well for the bottom of this foot. Straight up. Straight up. And the bottom of the body here. So we have a simple, basically layout of the crewmate and or imposter. It could be the imposter in disguise. This stuff is I'd say the easier of the kind of things that you do. It's just fun to get this framework down. Once you have it, it's you can draw anything as far as a crewmate, as far as the Among Us universe. It's gonna go over here halfway out. So halfway between these 2 points, I'm gonna go over here toward the back. Mark a line there, and it's gonna be the top of the backpack. Right here is the bottom of the body. About there, I'm gonna mark the bottom of the backpack. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out here, down, in. Okay, that to me looks like a loaf of bread or a Subway sandwich stuck to his back. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go over here and draw the other crewmate next to him or her. I can't tell their genders really because they're the same thing, but they're gonna be hugging. So curve over here, curve along the side, and I'm gonna be curving here. So essentially, I'm copying that shape, but right next to it, but a little bit behind it. That's the thing; it needs to be behind because they're gonna be hugging. That's the point. Over here, I'm gonna forehead, short for the forehead. Alrighty, and I'm gonna curve that line at the top. But yeah, like I said, hopefully you're still playing Among Us. They're amazing designs. It's really chill to just sit down and draw this. It's shockingly relaxing to draw this design. Straight down, so around the bottom here. I'm gonna draw that line straight down. Curve underneath. Curve straight up. And under the underside of the body. So now you have two crewmates like standing right next to each other, but they got to be hugging though. That's the whole point, like a hug. So I'm gonna draw his hand or her hand right there. Probably his hand. Let's say his hand because it's all, you know. And then the thumb right here, and the other hand around. And if you want, you could draw a little like it's like a paw shape or like straight lines in there. Let me draw like little hearts over here. Little hearts. So we draw a couple, like a few of them. What else is going on as far as the universe of Among Us? Not really sure, actually. I'm still doing tutorials on here. I'm doing them a lot more than before because I just feel like they're fun to do. So, like I said, absolutely reach out more often and say hi. Alright, straight up there. And that's pretty much almost the end. I think that's the end. Let me see. What am I missing here? No, that is close. That is pretty much the end of the drawing. If you want to, I'm just fixing a couple of lines here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any suggestions as far as what to do, absolutely tell me. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button for sure. The like button is going to let me know, you know, what to put more of on this channel. And yeah, that's mostly it. If you like drawing cute stuff, like really cute stuff like this, I have a how to draw cute ebook, and that ebook is in the description, so to go check that out as soon as you can. I'm thinking about just taking it down because I want to switch it up, but it's free currently. It's a how to draw cute. So basically what I do is I talk about what makes something look cute, because it's not just scale. It's not because something is smaller than something else on the page. It has to do with proportion. So how big, like, maybe something's eyes are in comparison to its head size, and how big that head size is compared to, you know, how big that head size is compared to the body. Like, babies tend to have large heads, right? Or cuter designs have larger heads. But then the eyes inside the head are also bigger for their proportions. So I go over all that stuff. It's going to be very simple and easy, and you'll be able to get it instantly because it's all basically pictures. And that's it. So check that out in the description while you can. That's it. Say hi to me in the comments. Also, I want to hear a lot from you. Give me some ideas for the channel. I'm going to be posting a ton more. Thank you, and I'll see you soon, alright? Ooh, this is Enrique, by the way. Say hi. Call me by my name.